Nowadays, water is expensive and weather comes as drought or flood. In times like this, it's a no-brainer to capture the rain that falls across your land. Ponds are one of the fastest, most effective ways to build water wealth and water security. But where do you start? How do you find the right place to build a pond? How do you deal with permits, machines, and contractors? And most importantly, how do you build water systems that will stand the test of time? The Water Stories core course was created to answer all these questions and more. Whether you own 10,000 acres or none at all, the core course will help you achieve your water goals. Save tens of thousands of dollars or more on project costs and water bills. Create decentralized water retention features that hold and restore water supplies across generations. Learn how to find the perfect locations for pond building on your land and get the right heavy equipment and contractors for the job. With the core course, you can make water fit your context, whether you're a farmer, rancher, landowner, or just want to build earthworks as a professional. Most of all, we want to help you create a stable, water-rich ecosystem on your land and create water wealth for the next generation. The Water Stories core course, live and self-paced, is available now.